It's also because no one's willing to have this conversation. Like, what technology company is willing to talk to you about onboarding or about this switching over process? Nobody. And the reason is it's the biggest reason why people don't move is because it's the hardest part. But Chime is not afraid to have that conversation because we know that we can help you. We have resources to help you. There are other Chime clients who will help you, and it's going to be one of the best moves you can make for your business. You can see with what Adam said. He said you converted 10 to 15% of your online leads to face-to-face appointments within 30 days. Like, has any other technology company done that? No. Like, it's just the AI is the best. The website's one of the best. The proof is in the numbers. You can see here. It's crazy. I don't see why you wouldn't do it.